Twin neon waterfall. Twin glowing waterfalls in vibrant purple and blue flowing side by side like futuristic energy streams. Diamond waterfall. A crystal clear waterfall sparkling like diamonds, shining brilliantly under soft light. Golden waterfall. A rich golden waterfall flowing like liquid gold, glowing with warm, radiant light. Spirit waterfall. A mystical waterfall filled with soft, glowing energy, creating a magical, peaceful aura. Rainbow waterfall. A colorful waterfall blending all rainbow shades, creating a vibrant and dreamy scene. Fire waterfall. A blazing waterfall made of flames, flowing downward with intense heat and glowing sparks. Toxic waterfall. A neon green toxic waterfall glowing with radioactive energy and mysterious fumes. Galaxy waterfall. A cosmic waterfall filled with stars and nebula colors flowing like the universe itself. Sand waterfalls.
Here,
A unique
the very
waterfall
elements
made of
collide.
sand,
The
moving
wind-driven
smoothly
sand,
like liquid
once
in the
dry
desert.
and golden, is instantly transformed.
Lava waterfall. A molten lava waterfall glowing red and orange, flowing through a volcanic landscape. Aura waterfall. A magical waterfall glowing with purple and blue aura, radiating pure energy. Ice waterfall. A frozen waterfall made of crystal ice, shining in cold blue tones. Lightning waterfall. An electric waterfall filled with lightning energy, flashing with powerful currents. Shadow waterfall. A dark, mysterious waterfall flowing in shadows, creating a deep and eerie vibe. Cloud waterfall. A soft white waterfall blending into clouds, creating a calm and dreamy atmosphere.